Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for your time. Today for you I have a haul video. I love filming haul videos and watching them because it gives me like real reaction from real people and their experiences, and also I love clothes, so that's the reason why I watch haul videos and try on hauls and lookbooks and everything else clearly. Okay. But now let's go into this haul before I start talking more and more and this video goes in totally different direction. So the first thing that I got is fluffy top, and looks like this. It's kind of pinkish purplish color, but on the sleeves it has this fluffy fur. It's faux fur obviously, but I love it. It's so comfy and I can wear it whenever I want and still look chic. Next thing that I got is this crop top, Guns N' Roses, and I like it. I wanted this top for so long, and just like everything in life, when I stopped looking for it, it just showed up randomly, and this was so inexpensive, so I had to get it. For the winter time, I love sweaters and I like everything that's warm and cozy, so I got this big, huge, fluffy pink sweater that is absolutely my cup of tea because this is bubblegum pink. It looks so amazing on. I cannot try it on right now, but I already wore this and it's huge, it's so comfy and I love it. Then the next thing that I got is another crop top, and it's Worst Behavior. Yo, it reminds me of Drake and I love because here it has the mesh and it has like mesh details here, and I absolutely love it. I love how it fits me. I love everything about it. I feel like I say I love a lot, and I know other words as well. For some reason I just keep saying I love, I love, I love. But my motto for New Year is to spread love and spread positivity, so I don't really mind, but maybe some people will get annoyed and I'm sorry. Next thing that I got is something that I just got randomly while I was checking out. This randomly popped up and I was like, it was meant to be. So I got this hoodie, which is so basic and it's so casual, but it's black and it says sarcastic, me, never. So this is something that definitely describes me. The next item that I got is something that I got just for a picture, and I have seen this all over the Tumblr and Instagram and I had to get it. It was just a couple of bucks. It looks like this. It's see-through, but obviously it covers and you can have it on like this. Obviously not, you know, you don't have to have anything underneath. That's the point. It was so inexpensive, just a couple of bucks, and I would not go out in public with this, but I wanted to just have it for a picture. It's so basic, I know. Also, this top that I'm wearing I got from DressLily as well. It's one of my favorites, and believe it or not, I wanted this top for so long and finally decided to get it. Then the next item is something so casual, but I wanted to get it just because I need something like this when I'm like cleaning my house or just going for a walk or anything like that. But it's just plain white pants and they have a matching top, and I think this looks great and I will definitely wear it on days when I feel like being casual. But for the days when I'm not feeling casual, obviously, I got this dress and I had no idea that this will be for such a special event, but I think it is. It's a long dress, looks like this. Here has this sequence. It has these details here, the color and everything is beautiful, and it goes all the way down. It's so fluffy, it looks so beautiful. I cannot wait to have some occasion or some special event to wear it. That would be it for this haul from DressLily. I will have everything linked in the description box below so you guys can check it out. I love all the items that I got. I think the items are very reasonably priced and I think the quality is good, so definitely check it out. I will have everything listed in the description box below, and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Until then, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me maybe a comment, or watch some of my other videos that I have on my channel because I have lots of them, and I will talk with you guys in my next video. Bye!